Hopefully my lashes don't look crazy, because the last video they looked very crazy. I don't know what's going on with this set. It's just weird. Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Okay, how do I want to start this? For the people who are subscribed and they tune in every week to watch me and listen to me talk and all of this stuff, I was doing daily uploads at one point, and then I went to 4 times a week to 3 times a week. I'm thinking I want to do once a week. I want to go back to once a week. Now what I need your help with is that you guys have to watch the video, okay? You guys have to watch the video, for one. You have to share the video. That is so important. Share the video with your friends. Encourage them to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload, so that they can watch, you can watch. You guys can have your own discussions outside of this video, or comment down below and we can discuss it there with other like-minded people. All right? That's how we're starting this. Let's go. Hey bunnies. For today's video, I want to talk about head again. I realize that this topic is something that a lot of you actually enjoy watching. I'm not sure it's because of the nature of the topic, if you guys are just pervs really and truly, or if you guys are genuinely interested in learning something, whether about me or the act itself. All right, either way, I'm going to be listening to what you guys are asking for and trying to create content around that. Okay, if you guys don't know, I do have a book called The Best Head Ever, Fellatio. I have one cunnilingus as well, but Fellatio is my #1 seller. Like, also all the books I've written 4, well 5, but 4, it's the #1 seller. Like, to this day I'm still getting orders for that specific book. So I want to, I guess, just, you know, I guess this is the theme. Like, I always do sex and relationships, but you guys love when I talk about blowjobs, so here we are. So the topic is my favorite position, or the best position to give a blowjob in, and it's going to be me on my knees and him either standing or sitting. If he's standing, no, regardless, either one, standing or sitting. If he's standing, you have to make sure I'm sturdy. He has to be strong. He has to be grounded. If he's sitting, he's more able to relax and quicker to climax. Keep that in mind. When you're down on your knees, as opposed to laying on your side, or, you know, him laying down and you're bit, like, it's just so much easier if he's either sitting or standing and you're kneeling down, so that you can it's easier for you to deep throat. For one, when you are able to deep throat, it makes it a whole lot wetter. It's also a more comfortable position. If you need knee pads or a pillow or a blanket or a towel on the floor, if you don't have carpeting, that's absolutely fine. Having a towel handy as well helps with cleanup, because like I said, once you're able to deep throat, it's going to get messy. And in my book, I do cover how to deep throat, and this is one of the 2 positions that I recommend. The other position I recommend is you laying on your back with your head over the side of the bed. That one is easier to deep throat because he's able to control how deep he goes in, and because your throat is more lengthened, if that makes sense, it's easier to slide all the way in, as opposed to, like I said, him laying down and you kind of bent over while on the bed. If you're kneeling on the floor and he's standing up, or, you know, you're bent over, again, it's easier because you're controlling, you know, the situation. You are more relaxed, he's more relaxed, and it's just easier to go from there. Another reason why this is my favorite position to give a blowjob in is that, like I said just now, it's easier to control how deep you go, how fast you go, how wet it gets. It's also a great way to be submissive as well as dominant. The submissive aspect in the sense that your partner is able to hold your head and either push it down more, or, you know, have it going up and down more, or he can hold your head steady and just go to work, right? And then for the dominant aspect, you're able to, when he's standing, you're able to look up at him while you're performing. That way, you know, it's like when you make that eye contact, just like when you're having regular intercourse, when you make that eye contact, it just makes it so much deeper, so much more intimate, so much better, you know? So that's one of the perks right there. And then I feel like when you have the eye contact going, and then you incorporate that with the moaning and the slobbing and then the slowly pulling out and then having it drip down your face, and then it also kind of makes swallowing easier as well. Yes, because you're in a more relaxed position, you're able to put him to the back of your throat. I'm trying to use words that are not going to get me flagged on here because I need this to be monetized. Because you're more relaxed, he's more relaxed, it's easier to get him to the back of your throat. So when you do swallow, you don't taste it on your tongue. And I noticed that a lot of people, when it comes to swallowing, they're like, they don't like the taste, they don't like the texture. If you're able to get him to the back of your throat easier, you'll have a better time swallowing. Yeah. Those are my reasons for why no, that's not a topic. That's not a title. That is why, no. What am I saying? Those are the reasons why this position is my favorite to give a blowjob. If you agree, leave it in the comment section below so we can talk about it. If you disagree, leave it in the comment section. If you have a favorite position, leave it in the comment section and let us know. Let's talk. Let's have a good time. This is the only video you're getting until next week. So please engage and share and like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.